Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Duolingo. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Duolingo app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all, don't forget